What's up YouTube? In today's video we're going to install some strobe lights. They're pretty easy. Actually, it's right here. So you're going to jack up the car. If you don't have the fender liner, you should be good. But I have the strobe light right here. We're going to put them, it's right here. See this one right here? You're going to take this connector out right there. And then you can install them. It's pretty simple, pretty fast. So I'm going to show you the connector. I'm going to pull it out right now. Put the strobe light right here. It's going to twist. She's in there pretty good. So just twist it and it should come out. There we go. And just wiggle it out. And there you go. You have the strobe light. It's right here. So now you're going to take this one out and install the strobe light. Alright, strobe light is in, just like that. So now, if we go outside the car, you'll see the new light is right there. Same concept for the other side. I'll jack it up, push this fender line back, and then take it out. Just like that, we got the strobe lights in. As you see, the battery is a little bit low on this car, but just know it will be brighter. I also got to charge the battery, but overall looks pretty cool. So now we're going to do the other side and then turn them both on. Just like that, everyone, the both flashes are on. Both strobe lights are working, as you see. To be honest, it makes the car look better, in my opinion. So it was pretty quick install. Just know they are brighter than this, but overall I'm pretty happy with this. Looks pretty cool. Gives a cool difference. Gives it a cool look in the parking lot. So I'm pretty happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.